AJ's. Do you want to see AJ mum?
Why AJ mom?
Do you want to see AJ mum?
AJ mom good girls. AJ mom good girls. AJ mom good girls.
Okay, you wait. AJ mum. Just wait a minute, Waliullah.
AJ mom.
AJ mum's coming.
You want a mother, you know but speaking.
Hello.
Hi, how are you?
How are you?
You good, yeah, my baby?
Waliullah. I
Why?
watched your match. What
Huh?
match? I watched your match. It
Yes,
was
good, good. You good?
Yes. I'm
Me
good.
or
How
you?
are you?
Yes, me or you laugh.
I
No,
love
Waliullah.
You go. Me, my hair, it's okay, it's okay. One day, inshallah, this is dumra dumra. It's okay, no, no.
It looks good.
It's good. I'm gangster.
Yeah. Although I can't see very well.
You AJ mom?
Mama. Waliullah.
Yes. You know, AJ mom, me passport, me come to Dubai.
See.
Inshallah, me one day you want a room.
Oh, Waliullah.
Where are you now?
He's in Dubai.
Dubai, Dubai. Burj Mia Khalifa, Mia Khalifa.
Good.
Burj Khalifa, Burj Khalifa, Burj Khalifa.
What does
Burj
that
Khalifa, yes, Burj Khalifa.
Mia Khalifa.
No, 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 Burj Khalifa. Wallah,
You
me.
said Mia Khalifa.
Qasam billah, me confused. Wallah, me Burj Khalifa.
mean? Huh?
Mia Khalifa, you want a sister?
Waliullah.
You want a sister?
If I could, there's other sisters, yeah.
You want some?
Mia Khalifa want a sister?
No, Mia Khalifa is not my sister.
Yes, it's okay. Bad girls. Wallah, bad girls. Wallah, bad girls.
So what are you up to in Dubai?
Every today me Dubai, inshallah.
What are you doing in Dubai?
Dubai, yani nice country. My heart country.
I bet.
How long are you there for, Waliullah?
I love Dubai. Every girls, nice.
Enjoy.
Waliullah, how long are you in Dubai?
Hey, J mom, you want a daughter? You speaking one picture.
No.
Wallah, I miss you. Want a picture? Wallah.
Waliullah, you are kuni.
Hey, J mom, you want a daughter? Wallah, but speaking.
I know, I just told her off. I just told her off.
Hey, J, my English 100% good.
It's getting better, yes, every time.
Inshallah, me one day 100% English.
Yes.
Speaking English good.
Speaking too fast.
Fast. Slowly, good.
Slowly, yeah. No,
This is my language, no. It's okay. Slowly. It's my language, no. Okay.
it gets better every time I speak to you.
Jemo, you single?
I am now, yeah.
Me or you starting yes love story?
I don't have a love story.
No, he said me and you starting
Oh,
love
me,
story.
you start love story.
Yes.
Let's get the people talking.
AJ mum and Waliullah marriage?
Marriage, no. Boyfriend, girlfriend.
No marriage?
No marriage. Me boyfriend, girlfriend. Hey, Jemo, you so nice.
Yes, thank you.
One day you want a daughter become.
Okay. What does that mean?
He wants to have a baby.
Oh, me have babies? No more babies. Too many.
You my baby.
Yeah, well, no.
You so nice. You so
You
cute.
love.
Hey.
Wallah, I miss you.
I miss you too.
Wallah, Waliullah kuni.
Hey, no but speaking.
No, but
She's naughty.
Hey, Jemo.
Yes,
Wallah, I miss you.
I miss you.
Waliullah, come to UK.
Inshallah, me come to UK. Me want a mother love. You know love.
Yeah, you come to UK and see mother.
We'll come see you in Glasgow.
No.
Hey, Jemam, wallah, me come to Dubai, come to Germany, France, me come to inshallah UK, come. Me or you. Gham wala story, music.
And dance.
Yes, dance. You're so nice dance, wallah.
Yes. Gola.
You single, inshallah. You want a boyfriend? Good. Me or you? AJ mom, see you bye inshallah ta'ala. Me another people wallah staying is in the Sheve waiting. Me come to another day. You respect, you want a daughter, no respect, you want a daughter, kuni.